Was the Formula E race a bold vision or breach of public trust at Hyderabad? Anti-Corruption Bureau Telangana has filed a complaint against the working president of Bharat Rashtriya Samiti. The case has focused majorly on the financial discrepancies during the February Formula E event held in Hyderabad. The FIR has also been filed along with former Chief Engineer B.L.N. Reddy from the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority and the former Principal Secretary A. Kumar from the Municipal Administration and Urban Development as co-accused. The ACB accused Formula E organizers for paying a sum of Rs 45 crore without proper cabinet approval and violating Reserve Bank of India guidelines. As such, the RBI imposed an 8 crore rupees fine on Telangana government for these unauthorized transactions, which was subsequently paid up by the Congress government in the year 2023. Violation of protocols. Funds were reportedly transferred during the Election Model Code of Conduct period without Election Commission approval. Payments were allegedly made to individuals and entities unconnected to the event. Alleged conspiracy and negligence. The FIR accuses KTR of criminal breach of trust (IPC Section 409) and criminal conspiracy (IPC Section 120B). The payments were purportedly made based on instructions from KTR as MoD ministers, bypassing essential financial and administrative protocols. KTR's defense. Promoting Hyderabad's global image. KTR maintains that the hosting of the Formula E race had the vision to set Hyderabad on an equal footing with cities such as Seoul and Cape Town in the global map. He justified his actions on the premise of the wider agenda recognizing Hyderabad at an international level. No cabinet approval needed. KTR argued that HMDA operates independently and does not require cabinet or finance department approval for such transactions. He stated that funds were transferred to maintain the event's continuity after a private partner, Ace Next Generation, dropped out. Willingness to cooperate. KTR has denied any wrongdoing and expressed readiness to face legal scrutiny. He stated, "If anything illegal is found, I am willing to go to jail. I will use the jail time to stay fit and plan a Pandayatra political backlash. The Congress-led state government and several ministers have alleged corruption in the event's organization, terming it an instance of financial mismanagement under the previous administration." KTR, however, has accused the new government of targeting him for enhancing Hyderabad's global image. Economic and reputation gains. The Formula E event brought global attention to Hyderabad, attracting international spectators and sponsors. KTR and BRS leaders argue that such initiatives boost local economies and promote tourism. This case raises the issues of transparency in the utilization of public funds as well as legal procedural compliance. Critics point out the lack of checks and balance in the handling large financial transactions. Key questions raised. Were the alleged violations a result of negligence or deliberate bypassing of protocols? Does the act justify the means in promoting Hyderabad's global image? Could the event have been organized with better financial oversight and adherence to laws? The Formula E controversy pits the vision of global ambition against the foundational need for transparency and accountability in governance. While the event showcased Hyderabad's potential as an international host city, the ongoing legal case cast a shadow on the means employed to achieve this feast. Was this a bold attempt at global recognition or a misuse of public resources? The answers lie in the legal proceedings ahead.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.